Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to connect Insightly to Jira? This guide will help you integrate the two platforms, enabling efficient project management and issue tracking. Follow these steps to connect Insightly with Jira. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first guys, that you will need to do is to go ahead to Insightly and click on the first link. Then connect your account, and just like that, continue with Google and you will be good to go. Now for me, I will have to actually add a phone number. I can skip it literally by clicking on F12 and removing these things right through here. Let me just remove this block, and there we go. Now, how can we connect Insightly with Jira? Well, first of all, we have to go to the integration page of Insightly. Let's go right here to our profile and go to the system settings. Right after that, you will have this dashboard. Go to the bottom of it, so scroll down, go to integration and click on the second option, integration lists. Click on it, and there we go. Now, these are the 4 applications that basically are placed for you to actually add, but there is more than that you can add. But you need to understand that these are the available ones. So these ones that I'm going to show you right now are basically, you are gonna ask for a demo. But let's go throughout the steps, then I'm gonna show you how to apply for the demo and what are the alternative than doing the demo and waiting for their improvements. So first thing that you will find here is Jira. In case you didn't find it, you can simply search for it in here. Click on enter and you will be able to find it. Let's go ahead and click on Jira, and here there will be like a description about how to connect it, what are the useful things about it, and the benefits and the use cases. Jira by Atlassian was designed as an issue tracking solution, but has since evolved into a work management platform for all sorts of use cases. Today's software teams use Jira for bike tracking, agile project management, and handling development tasks. While integrating Insightly and Jira with the App Connect, Jira helps development teams streamline and automate their workflow. By integrating Jira and Insightly, you can connect development with your sales and marketing team to create a world-class product and customer experience. Now, what are the use cases? You can share marketing information with development teams. Sales and marketing interact directly with customers and are the first to know about potential updates or products. With the Jira integration, you can share tasks and tickets between sales, marketing, and development to improve collaboration between your teams. Second use case, update Jira issues from Insightly without changing platforms. With the Jira integration, you can update Jira issues directly from Insightly. You can also create Jira users from Insightly users and assign issues to a specific user to minimize the time you spend switching between platforms. Empower your support team to solve tickets quickly. Integrating Insightly and Jira with App Connect makes it easy to get important information in front of the right people. Automate notification to let teams know when a new ticket is headed their way, then route messages to the right person based on context. Now, how can we connect it? As I said, you have to apply for a demo or request it. To request it, you have to answer a couple of questions, and right after that click on submit, and then you will have to wait a couple of days. Then they will answer you. Now, to skip all of that, well, what I usually do is basically go into jira.com and whatever other application you think of. For example, for now I'm just gonna use Jira, so let me just sign in into my account, and basically it could be whatever application other than that, so you are free to do whatever you want. Now with this application, you have to go, for example, to your app. So let's go to Trello, for example. From Jira, go to and open like here. We have here like basically this workspace, and what I would usually do is either go to automation and search for an automation, or basically search for any kind of tab that can take me to a third-party apps, or basically give me the access to basically like connecting the account with another application. But unfortunately guys, this is not very possible. What I usually do now in this case is basically go into Zapier. Zapier is a very good application that can help us succeed in connecting whatever application we think of. Let's try, for example, now our 2 applications. So let's go to apps And first of all, we need to connect Insightly. So let's go to search for Insightly and connect it. They will ask us for an API key, which will be found in the user settings. To get the access to it, go to here to your account and search for user settings, and you will be find it in the bottom. You can generate a new API key whenever you want. Just click and like that, a new API key would be created. And now what we need to do is to go back here, paste it, and we should be connected. Let's test our connection first. So this is my old connection as testing, error testing connection, since I have changed the API key. So I have always to be following the API key changes. In case I changed it, I have to change it in all other applications. So now I have connected, and now let's test this connection. And as you can see, this one will work, this one will not work, and this one, by the way guys, is the newest one, so 11 seconds ago. Now let's go ahead and create our connection. We need to also add another app, which is Jira. So let's go ahead and search for Jira. Here we will have multiple Jira, so choose whatever you want. Jira Service Management, Jira Service Management Alert, Jira Software Cloud, whatever Jira you think you would need to actually add. And right after that, you simply have to connect your account. So the app requires access to Jira and Jira Service Management site, which you don't have or don't have the permission to access. So visit to create a site. We need to create a site on Atlassian, and basically there we will be able to actually create an account on Jira. Now once you have added Jira successfully, the same that I showed you with Insightly, go ahead and click on create, click on Zaps, and from there you have to write here a prompt. Basically just like you are using ChatGPT, but we are here on Zapier. For example, connect Insightly with Jira. And now we are simply gonna wait for it to give us the results, and in case that was what you were looking for, then simply click on edit. For example, whenever there is a new record, create an issue in Jira software. Or basically, let's give it more detail. Whenever there is an issue with a client in Jira, add it in Insightly. Just like that, we will have a couple of things. So new issue, create record. Alright, that's perfect. Let's add them both. So the trigger is basically there is a new issue in Jira Software Cloud. If there was any issue in Jira Software Cloud that we found, there must be a comment added to our contacts here in Insightly, so our sales team can understand that there is an issue with this profile or this client that has to be fixed. Now after you finish with this integration, you simply have to click on here on publish, and it should be published, and the automation should be working without any problems. And that's it, pretty much it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.